Hi everyone, my name is Abhishek. Welcome to my channel Automation Testing, Testing Made Easy. So today we are going to discuss about Lambda test integration with your framework. So in this tutorial, we are going to discuss about the prerequisite for the Lambda test integration, and then we will make some configuration changes in our framework and execute the test in Lambda test platform. So basically we follow some testing framework like the base object model. So in base object model, we have some base class where we define our web driver, and for executing your test in the Lambda test platform, we will be using remote web driver. So in order to execute your test, we will need some access key and your username to be passed in the capabilities. So before that, we will be looking some details about Lambda test platform. So it supports Java, Node.js, C#, Ruby. It also supports testing framework made in Java, TestNG, JUnit, Selenium. It has awesome tool generator to generate the capability to integrate with your framework, like your operating system, the Chrome browser version, your username, your access key, your project name, Selenium version. Now, in our framework, we will be modifying these capabilities and executing the tests. So here, as you can see that we have pasted the desired capabilities that we have generated with the help of capability generator, like username, access key, the grid URL. So here we are using remote web driver instead of web driver. So this is how the Lambda test platform looks like. So here we are executing the test and it is displaying the status. Now jump into the Lambda test platform. So here we will be first displaying, you can find your credentials at the bottom left, and you can click on the click to copy link to copy your access key and your username. Now I will display my testing framework, and here you can use your testng.xml file after modifying these desired capabilities to execute your test cases on the Lambda test platform. You can see here in the testng.xml we have some test cases like login, validate footer, validate title, book appointment. Now if you will run this testng.xml file as run configuration go/test, it will start executing your tests on the Lambda test platform. So first we will establish the connection with the Lambda test platform, and after that in within 10 seconds it will start executing your test cases on the Lambda test platform. So we will see in some time. Yeah, now you can see here that the test login 3 execution has been started here, and if you will click on the test, so we will be seeing the video recording, the steps that has been performed as part of this test. If we click on the video to play, so we can see that the test has been started and the corresponding commands are being performed. So once the test is complete, you will see the green symbol with complete message, or else you will see it is failed with red color. So this is all the tests that we have executed here. So you can see here that it displays the Chrome version, the operating system. So this is all about this tutorial.